Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. In this video I want to show you guys how to remove the Windows old folder, and this Windows old folder shows up whenever you install a new version of Windows without actually formatting your hard drive. So we want to remove this, and to remove this you click on this search right here and you type in disk cleanup. So you click on this disk cleanup. So after you open this cleanup, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it at the end if you find it helpful, to those who might find it helpful as well. So you click on cleanup system files. There is need to delete the Windows old folder after you've copied all your files from the user folder. The user folder appears here. It contains all your files from the previous version of Windows, files from downloads, desktop, pictures, music and videos. So you ensure you copy the users folder first before actually deleting this windows.old folder. So after that, your disk cleanup, it's going to scan for previous Windows installations as well, and it's going to select this Windows old folder. If there are many Windows old folders, they're going to be numbered. Okay, so we wait for it to finish. Okay, it has finished scanning for the previous version of Windows, and as you can see, you can use this cleanup to free up to 35.3 gigabyte of this space. And let's see what our Windows.old folder has. So our the previous Windows installation, which is the Windows.old folder, contains files worth 35.1 gigabyte, which is something that I would want to free up. As you can see on my disks right here, I only have 29.2 gigabytes, so it's going to mean a lot to me if I clear this. So you click on OK and you say delete files. So it's going to delete this Windows old folder right here. So we wait for it as it deletes it. Okay, as you can see, the windows.old folder has disappeared, so that means our disk cleanup has already cleaned that folder successfully, and that is the way to delete the Windows old folder on your PCs. If you find this helpful, ensure you like, share it with others who might find it helpful as well, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.